Well, hello friends, this is your first time here. We would so absolutely love to have you. Our mission here is to inspire our audience with unique signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you would like to join our team, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell ringer so every time we upload, you'll be the first to know. Well, hello there designers, and thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl. So I am presenting to you Miss Shirley West. She is the CEO and founder of Camellia Elegant Events. We are so proud of her. She is one of our VIP members, and she will be graduating, you guys, June 18 of 2019. So happy New Year's to you, Shirley, and you guys will see more of her work coming soon. Now, my friend, if you are totally new, we want to let you know that this is a platform that we share each other's success. Now, designers, as we begin to close this video out, I would love for you to tell me, which of these pictures do you love most? All right, team, so that wraps it up for our last video for 2018. I wanted to shine the spotlight not only on Shirley, but on you guys as well, for all the beautiful comments, the encouraging words, and the beautiful cards you have sent our family. You guys, I have had a blast with you all. I will see you all in 2019. Remember to look for Shirley because she will be graduating in about 6 months. She said, I am taking my business up to another level, y'all. That's why I'm in this VIP program. All right, friends, guess what? I will see you all in the next one, and blessings abundantly. Bye.